Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I would like to show you how to add picture on your video in Capcut. Okay, after preparing your video, you can click overlay button on the bottom of the screen right here. Click overlay and then you can tap add overlay right here. Okay, add overlay. And then you can choose the photo that you want to add. I'm going to choose this photo and click add right here. Okay, click add and wait a second. Alright, and then here's some option for you. You can count up the picture and you can also remove the background. If you want to count out the picture, you can click count out. Okay, click count out and click remove background right here, and the background has been removed. Alright, and you can zoom in or zoom out by using both of your fingers like this. Alright, and then you can also blend the pictures. Okay, like this. Okay, there are a lot of options for you. And okay guys, that's the tutorial for me. Thanks for watching.